Welcome everyone to a professional DevOps learning channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking all about shell scripting. We're introducing you guys to shell scripting, which is a new chapter. Shell scripting. Scripting is a program that takes commands from the keyboard to the operating system. It can be used to create and manage servers in the AWS clouds and others through Git Bash and SSH terminal. It can collect one or more commands at a time, providing up to 95% automation, compared to GUI that provides up to 5% automation, and CLI that provides up to 70% automation. Just one script can serve up to billions of customers, especially with the use of functions. Scripting is very important in user management, file management, security management, system management, package management, process management, monitoring, and backup, which will all be demonstrated in my next videos. Shell scripting commands. Echo $shell. It's I don't know what that's for. Now, now you do hashtag exclamation mark slash bin slash bash at the top of your script for best practice. And touch file name .sh creates an sh scripting file. Sh file name .sh runs the shell script file. sh-x filename.sh debugs the script to show all the errors present within the file if you made an error. Echo $sign question mark equals to zero. If it is zero, it checks the status of the command. Zero means okay. So if you're going to be in MobaXTerm, you do echo $sign question mark. And if it's zero, then it means there isn't any problem with your previous command. Now, echo $sign question mark, and if it's from 1 to 127, that checks the status of the command. That means it is not okay. Means there's a problem with the command that you have entered. Now, if you're echoing, you use that, I don't know what to say, but that slanted inverted comma. This is to use to separate sentences after echo. Cat slash etc slash shell. This checks all the different shells within your server. Sudo yum install -y is used to install the shell of your choice. You can either install boon shell, sh, bash, ksh, csh, tsh, or and 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 hashtag is placed in front of your sentence, which defines a phrase. Is placed in front of your sentence, which is used for commenting. Now let's go ahead and practice this in MobaXTerm. Now let's go ahead and practice this in MobaXTerm. What we're gonna do first, we're gonna go to MobaXTerm, clear our screen. Now that we're inside MobaXTerm, let's do our first command, which is touch file name, then touch file name. Oh yeah, that's where I put the file name. Let's call it blue lock .sh. Now that we've created blue lock.sh, let's vi into the file. Vi into blue lock .sh. Now inside the blue lock.sh, we're gonna press I to enter insert mode, and the first thing we're gonna put is hashtag exclamation mark dash bin dash bash. We put this here for good practice. Now, let's say when we run the command, what do we want it to do? We just do echo. This command is running. And then echo, the command is finished. And now let's exit. We're going to do Shift ZZ. That's how we exit. We're going to do sh blue lock .sh, and it does all the commands I told it to do within the file. It says this command is running, this command is finished. Now let's go back into VI. Let's VI back into blue lock to test out this command right here, sh-x. Now let's do a false command. Let's call it, let's say we want to write, we have to enter insert mode. We press I, we do echo. Let's say that's not a command that we know. We just write how are you. It's easy. Now let's do sh.x blue lock .sh. This will say that in the first command, this command is okay. In the second, it's okay. The third command, it says command not found. It tells me the error in which line. It tells me that in line number 3, it says the command is not found, which is good for spotting out errors. Now let's go back into bluelock.sh and let's fix that command. Insert mode. Choose easy. And let's go to this. And if there aren't any errors, it'll just show it like this with all the commands that we put, like all the echo commands we put, and there aren't any errors, so it's all alright. What's the next command? Echo $, then question mark. Let's say I write echo lower. It says command not found. Now let's say if we didn't have this bash command not found, if that didn't tell us that there's an error within a command, what other ways are there for us to check whether this command is okay or not? We can use echo, then $, question mark. It will tell us the status of the error that we put over here, the previous error. It's 127, which we know that it's not okay because 1 to 127, if it displays any number between 1 to 127, means that command is not correct. Now let's go and fix it. Echo lower. It will echo lower. Now let's do the same command. It will tell us that it's 0, which means the command that we entered before is perfectly fine, perfectly normal. It's alright. Now let's do cat etc shell. Cat etc shell shells. Cat etc shells. This tells us all the shells that we have. We have sh, we have bash, we have user bin sh, user bash, ks, rks, rksh, csh, tcsh, and all the other shs that we have. Now, um, if we don't have one that we don't like, let's say we didn't have ch, we can use sudo yum install, then put kch -y, and it will install it for us. Hashtag is usually placed in front of a sentence that defines what your script is all about, or is useful for defining your commands. We can say that this script is for practical use. And if you do sh bluelock dot sh, you will see that the comments that we put haven't been entered, because it only is the comments that you put are only there when you VI into the script. This is useful for you and your colleagues to see the notes, to see what all this script is all about. Thank you for watching today's video. We'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye. Congratulations on watching the full video. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you have any questions, please comment it down in the comment section down below. I'll see you in the next video as you continue your DevOps learning journey with DevOps Luis.